Hi everyone, my name is Janvi
And my name is Tanvi.
and welcome to our channel Food Travel and Recipes. Today we are going to show you an easy and simple recipe of palak coriander puri. This is very tasty, so let's have a look at the recipe. For this recipe we need 1 cup of coriander. We have to add all the ingredients in a mixer jar. Coriander is washed. Then 2 green chilies, you can adjust the chilies as per your taste. Then 1 cup of spinach, this is also washed. And 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. And now add some water and make a fine paste out of it. Our paste is ready. Now we'll take wheat flour and transfer it to a bowl. We have to add only the wheat flour which will fit in this paste, the water in the paste. Now we'll add 2 teaspoons of salt in the flour or as per your taste. Then half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then I am adding 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. You can adjust it as per your taste, but remember that chilies are also present in the paste. We also need to add coriander powder. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. At last we need to add 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. Now we'll mix the dry ingredients. You can use a spoon or hand. Now slowly add the paste. Now we need to make a dough out of this. At last I'll tell you how much wheat flour fit in this. So there is a need to add 1 cup of wheat flour. I have already added extra spices, so you can adjust it as per your taste. A bit of remaining paste. You may see our dough. It should be not very soft and not very hard. There is no extra added water in this. Just I have added a bit of water in the mixer jar to remove the remaining paste. And now we'll add some oil and knead it nicely. And our dough is ready. We need to cover this and keep it for 10 minutes. So our 10 minutes are over. Now we'll grease our hands with some oil. And knead it once. Now take some portion from the dough and make a ball. The size of the ball depends on you, how much big puri you want, and this will help you to roll the puris faster. So now our balls are ready. I have took this size. So now we'll heat up a kadhai and add oil to it. Now to check if the oil is hot or not, we'll take a small portion of the dough and drop it in the oil. If it comes up, then the oil is heating. So you can see our dough has come up. It means that oil is ready. So now we'll roll our puri. For that you can use oil or dry wheat flour. The puri should be equal from all the sides. Now we'll drop this puri into the oil. And we have to fry this on low flame. So see our puri. We have to cook this nicely from one side. You may see the color. Now we'll flip the puri. Fry this puri till 2 to 3 minutes. So now our puri is ready. Now we'll take it out on a tissue paper. Drain off all the oil. Our puri is ready. Now we'll drop the second one. So our puris are ready. They are super tasty, healthy, and there is no artificial added color in this. You can have this with tomato ketchup or pickle or anything you want. You can have it just like that. So please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Also don't forget to share and follow us on Instagram. Thank you. Bye.